Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar de la hora. Today we are going to talk about the hour, the time. How to tell time. ¿Cómo decir la hora? How to tell time. ¿Cómo decir la hora? So the basic question is, ¿qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? If I want to know the time, like the time right now. I'm not talking about an event. I'm talking about the time right now. Like, hey, what time is it right now? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Remember the H in Spanish is silent. So it's not hora, it's hora. ¿Qué hora es? If you are unsure about your pronunciation, I will recommend you to practice your vowels because vowels are the foundation of the Spanish language. Okay? Now, there are two ways to answer to that question. And the first one is son, using the verb ser, the ser form. So son, and that's for any hour that is not either 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. So son las, because it's plural, right? It's two or more. So son las dos, tres, cuatro, and so on. For this, it's important for you to know your numbers, at least from 1 to 60 or 59. And just practice this. So son las 2:20. Son las 2:10. Son las 4:30, and so on. Now, the only exception to this rule is whenever it's 1 a.m. or p.m. because it's just one. So it's es, because it's just one, es la una. It's not uno or un, it's una. So es la una a.m. o una p.m. I don't know if you've noticed, but we use the word y to be specific. For example, es la 1:20, and so on. Now, how to express the time? ¿Cómo expresar la hora? If it's a.m. in the morning, it's de la mañana. So, for example, es la 1:00 a.m. If it's 10 a.m., son las 10:00 a.m. If it's afternoon, before 6 p.m., it's de la tarde. So it's anytime after 12:01 and I would say 5:59 p.m. So I would say 4 de la tarde. Son las 4 de la tarde. All right? If it's evening, de la noche. Son las 7 de la noche. Son las 4 de la tarde. Son las 2 de la mañana. If it's exactly on the dot, sharp, en punto, right here, en punto. Son las 4 en punto. Now, here's something very important. When I'm asking for an event, I want to ask at what time does this event start? So I want to know a qué hora. I don't want to start my question with que because it's incorrect. I want to start my question with a. So, ¿a qué hora es la clase de español? At what time is Spanish class? So I want to answer a using the same at a la 1:00 at 1 p.m., for example. Now, if I ask, what time is it? And it's 4 p.m. exactly. So, son las 4, here, son las 4 de la tarde en punto. I put all the pieces together and I say, son las 4 de la tarde en punto. At what time is Spanish class? ¿A qué hora es la clase de español? es a las 3 de la tarde, for example. Or es a las 11 de la mañana. Okay? Now, one of the quickest ways of knowing this or practicing this or getting this is just making sure that there's a difference in between qué hora es and a qué hora es. So let's go ahead and practice. Number 1, 11:40 p.m. So it's son las 11:40 p.m. or de la noche. Número 2, son las 2 de la tarde o son las 2 de la tarde en punto. ¿Ok? Número 3, son las 10:22 p.m. o son las 10:22 de la noche. Muy bien. Número 4, son las 2:18 de la tarde. Son las 2:18 de la tarde. Número 5, it's early. Son las 5:15 de la mañana. Son las 5:15 de la mañana. I want you to notice the son las and the y. ¿Qué hora es? Número 6. Son las 9:30 de la mañana. El número 7 es la 1:05 de la mañana. Muy bien. Espero que puedas practicar con estos y con muchas otras imágenes también que pueden existir. I hope you can practice with these and other images that you can find online or even with the time right now. Okay? Keep practicing and vamos. You got this.